Dip and Dive, the inter-school quiz competition at EPOC 2010.
Can we have a round of applause?
They say that quizzing is all about a constant knack for knowledge, and we at Manav Sthali believe in nothing but that.
And so, without any ado, let's start with this breathtaking session that will see some of the brightest minds who shall fight it out, or rather should I say, quiz it out, to achieve the ultimate glory.
So let's begin with Dip and Dive 2010. Can we have a round of applause, please? So the first round is the beginning. The name of the first round is the beginning. So the rules, the teams, each team will be given one question for each team. There will be no negative marking, so each of you can try the answer even if you don't know, because there is no negative marking. The teams will get 30 seconds to answer each question. The questions are not passable. Plus 10 will be awarded for each correct answer.
So, here we go.
Okay, we'll start. The first question for Team Cupcake. India's first web browser, Epic, was launched by which firm recently?
Is it Mozilla Firefox?
Oh, I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. So, anybody in the audience who knows the answer? India's first web browser, Epic, was launched by which firm recently?
Come on, you may make a try, please.
You can answer? It's the correct answer. Please give a round of applause.
राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज
कोई बजा नहीं रहा ना
The next question for Team Donut. Expand. Twain. Twain. We pass?
So, it's technology without an interesting name.
The next question for Claire.
Okay. What did Mark Pincus, along with his friends, create in July 2007? You have any idea? You can give it a try.
Twitter?
What?
Twitter?
No, it's not Twitter. The answer is Zenga. Zenga. The answer is Zenga. So, the next question for Team Froyo.
Who will you associate this emoticon with?
You can have a look at the emoticon. It's a very popular. You can guess it. No idea about it. First, it's the correct answer again. They're doing a very good job, but it's not their question.
Please can we have a big round of applause for them?
They're doing very well. It's the question number 5 for you, Gingerbread. The book Fluid Concepts and Creative Analogies, the computer models of fundamental mechanisms as thought by Douglas Hofstadter, is very important in the history of this company. Name the company.
Amazon.
It's the correct answer. Please give them a big round of applause. They get the plus 10 and they open their account in this round.
The next question for Team Honeycomb. The widely popular game's name has its origin from the Greek word. Launched in 1984, the game has made various appearances in various consoles including Atari, NES and the Apple iPod. The tagline for the NES version of the game was strikingly similar to a 1960s Bond film. Name the very popular game.
I'm sorry, it's not Mario. Anybody in the audience? Pravar. It's the correct answer. Can we have a chocolate please over there?
मैंने
बोला था मैंने बोला था
The audience are not requested to prompt the answer, please.
Now with this, we end with the first round.
The scores for the first round are only Gingerbread has been able to open the account with plus 10. Excuse me, audience. Please, can we have silence?
Great applause for them. Now the rules for round 2 are, this round will follow, I'm sorry to interrupt.
Okay.
First.
In this round we'll go alternatively, like cupcake, then, or we say we'll go anti-clockwise. First question will be for you.
Okay, rules for round 2 are, this round will follow the infinite bounds concept. There are 12 questions and each team will be awarded plus 10 for the correct answer.
Plus 5 will be awarded for a fast answer. The infinite bound concept is like if you get a question and we pass it, you don't know the answer, okay? It will be your question and you also don't know it, you pass it again, okay? Then if they answer, the next question will be asked to Team Eclair, okay? It's quite obvious, okay? Now we'll start with the round.
Identify the mascot.
It's for you, Honeycomb. It's not Fedora, so we'll pass the question.